So this is going to be take 2 of the GoPro filter set, because once I got back to the apartment, put the SD card in, I realised that Freya had been playing with my phone in the pub, and she'd been doing faces with the sort of Samsung filters over the top. So that footage all looked a little bit like this. So I've got my GoPro. I brought this along to do all of the underwater footage. So here again, this is the package I bought all the way from the UK. And inside we got that a selection box. And inside I've got a selection box of filters for the GoPro. So I bought these because I read that if you're going to be going underwater, you can put a red filter on, which will stop that image from being quite so flat. So we've got a red, there's a yellow, a pink, orange, grey and a violet. So that's the pack of 6 colours that I got from Amazon. Cost about £10. So I'll probably take all of them down to the water. I'm expecting maybe the sort of the pink and the red to be best. And then when we were talking about it, I was talking to my friend Nathan, who makes lenses, and he made me this. This is a custom lens which I can put on my 52mm adapter, and that'll also go on the GoPro. I'll test out the custom lens that I've had made, and also I'm going to test out the GoPro pack that I got for £9.99. The water down there is as clear as a bath, and what we want from the filters is for it to take away that sort of flat blue image. So I've got a GoPro Hero 5, which is what I use, because I can shoot my 120 frames per second or use it underwater just as it is. It's a really universal tool. Probably one of my favourite cameras, these filters. Let's have a little look just how they clip on. So they all came in a big poly bag. Got these little poly bags holding each one. And then individually they all have a little film to stop them scratching. I thought it was really good on such a value product. And then what happens, I believe you should just clip them on. And we'll be ready to go. So what we'll do is try out all the colours. I'll show you what all the colours do underwater, but I'm expecting either the red or the pink or maybe the violet to be sort of good for the underwater, for the blues. I think the grey might be really good on maybe act like a little ND filter for the GoPro in sort of daytime. Anyway, let's take this underwater. Okay, there's Nathan's custom lens. It's just filled up with a little bit of water, Nathan. But I think that the red is a bit too red, so I'm going to try a different colour. I'm going to try this orange one now. Apart from making me look like a tangerine out of the water. Got them all in a little drawstring bag, so hopefully it's going to keep them safe-ish. Just switch to this is like the pinky filter now. So let's have a look at this one. This is the red filter from the Amazon pack. Expecting this maybe to be the same as what Nathan has supplied. Let's have a little wander under there. Again, just very, very red footage. So pink, the pink filter is still my favourite. Let's just try the purple one. Maybe switch back to the pink one before we go and have a little swim. Quite like that too. It's going to be a close call actually, I think, between the red and this violet colour. So I think I might just do half an hour with each, and then we can compare those and see what comes out the best. Let's get snorkeled up.
and now she drank 'em full up. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em up.
Let's see. In full face now. Very, very good. So, that was the purple filter. I think I like that one. Hopefully the colours look okay there. There's plenty of little colourful fish around. Okay. So, I'm going to switch back to the pink filter now. I think this is my favourite. I'm going to stick with this one, but that's not to say the other filters won't work slightly differently in different colour waters. So here the water is very, very clear, like a blue. But then, you know, if you're swimming in maybe a river or sort of deeper sea, deeper in the water, you might need sort of the darker filters. That's where the red might come in handy. But here's the pink, because I'm only sort of floating around the coastline really, just looking for little fish.
Bought a coconut, bought it for the time. Sister had another one, she paid for the lime. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em full up. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em up. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em full up. She put the lime in the coke and now she got it. Got the coconut starter. Ain't there nothing I can take a set starter. Leave us belly, leave us take a set starter. Ain't there nothing I can take a set starter. Leave us belly, leave us take a set.
I'm not going to bother with the grey, because that'll just make me feel like I'm back home. My review of those diving filters bought on Amazon. The pink one is my favourite, the GoPro Hero 5, and it's all in one diving mask.